Hello again, guys. I'm bringing you the next bankshot.io devlog. I've actually made a lot of progress today. First, I'll just show you where it's at right now. Alright, so I have this enclosed environment. I can shoot lasers and they bounce all around. And this is great. This is the first... well, not the first step. I don't know. But this is a big milestone in making bankshot.io a reality. Because these are now bouncing in the way I wanted them to. Right? I think last video they were like spinning around in circles, and now I already have them bouncing the right way. And the final solution turned out to be a lot simpler than any of the other stuff I tried. So that's how it goes, isn't it? Anyway, occasionally they phase through the wall, as you just saw a few there, because they're moving fast. And I think it only checks for collision like at a certain point in time. I think I can change it to continuous, but that's really performance intensive. So I'm not sure if I'll ever stop them from phasing through walls every once in a while. Yeah, like all of these are just phasing through that wall. I wonder if it has to do with this, since we're going to go way back here and shoot at that wall. Well, now I can't even see. Oh, yeah, I can. Alright. Alright, I'm going to do a quick experiment right here. So, wait. Okay, those ones did phase through for some reason. Those ones didn't. I think one of them did. All three worked properly. Three worked properly. Okay, only one bounced that time and two phased through. Oh, I see. That was weird. But yeah, this is pretty cool. Alright, I'll quit showing off and show you guys what I actually did and what my simple solution was in the end. Alright. It just looks so cool, I think. Now I need to figure out how to back up this project, because I haven't done that at all yet, and I've made a lot of progress so far. Alright. Exit play mode. First, this is the laser I'm shooting right now. If you remember from last time, this is the same script, player weapon script. I didn't change anything at all. I changed the inputs a little bit. I changed the lifetime to 60, and I think this is exactly the right speed, or actually maybe a little bit faster. So I'm going to change that to... I think... No, that's a bit slower. No, actually... Never mind, I'm not going to change that. So here's my physics laser, and I only made a small number of changes. I just put a capsule collider on it, but I haven't been able to edit the collider, so I'm not sure if it's aligned with the shape of the laser, or if it's like perpendicular to the laser, because I haven't figured out how to edit it yet. Let's see, if I click on physics laser, wait, let's see, now I'm in prefab mode. I just don't see the collider anywhere. It's working pretty well, so it must be aligned properly, but I just don't see the collider. So anyway, you want to see my code, don't you? Well, play weapon script, same as last time. This is the physics shot behavior script, which is actually only one line of code right now. And all this does is make sure that the laser points in the direction it's moving, because before this they were like spinning around and it didn't look right. And in addition to that, I just made it a rigid body with the lowest mass I could get. Right, I put it in 0 and it makes it that. And then 0 drag, because lasers are made of light. They don't have drag. Gravity, no gravity, because lasers are made of light. They don't use gravity. Well, no, wait. Don't fact check me on that. Anyway. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I tried a bunch of other stuff that didn't work. But, I mean, I got the lasers bouncing in pretty much the way I wanted. So, the next couple of things on my to-do list are to figure out how to do mesh colliders, basically, for this sci-fi hallway that I have right here. This sort of has a collider. No, it's like made of prefab colliders. I like built it, it doesn't actually have a collider on it because I don't know how. I tried just adding a mesh collider and clicking convex, but that didn't work. So I just need to figure out how to get all these colliding in the right way. Then I just need to figure out how to import textures and materials from Blender into Unity so I can make it look very colorful and vibrant. And from there, I need to make the lasers do damage, and then probably just download like a bot enemy that I can just drop in the scene. And then I think I would be ready to release the first prototype. Alright. I'm just really happy with what I've done so far. So let's just play one more time. Woo! This game works best with enclosed environments because if it's open, then the lasers will just fly off out into the sunset and never be seen again. But you want them to like bounce around. And I don't think I've talked about why I want it to be this way yet. So when this map is finished, it's going to be like any spot where you would shoot at someone, it'll be set up for the lasers to bounce in an interesting way from that position. Like it might go bounce all the way around the map and come back and get you, or it might bounce straight back and hit you, or maybe you can make it bounce back and hit them. But just having this simple bounce mechanic will change the whole game, I think. And it'll be amazing. Now these lasers down here have started moving slowly, and that's interesting. I have drag set to 0, so I'm not sure why that would happen. Probably use some code to make them have a constant speed. Oh yeah, they are slowing down by a lot. I wonder why that is. It is a physics-based system. This video is going on for a long time because I'm so proud of myself for what I've done. Anyway. Let's see. Friction. I mean, I have the friction turned all the way off, so... I'm going to try to turn the bounciness. Maximum bounciness is 1. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something, and I'll see you next time.